Hi everybody, today I will review two popular headphone models and have the same price on Amazon, Soundcore Q20 and OneOdio. Both promise impressive sound quality for their price range, but which one will better suit your needs? At first glance, the smaller OneOdio box doesn't look as appealing as the Soundcore Q20. Alright, let's start by unboxing the Soundcore Q20. First impression. We've got a sleek, compact travel pouch, nice design. Inside, we have a USB-C cable, an AUX cable, a user manual. Everything looks neat and well organized. Okay, let's move on to unboxing the OneOdio. Inside, we've got the headphones, a user manual, a travel pouch, a micro USB charging cable, and a 3.5mm audio cable with an inline mic. Everything's here and ready to go. Soundcore Q20 design. The Soundcore Q20 has a sleek, compact design with a smooth, matte finish on the ear cups and headband. It's portable, foldable, and well suited for travel or commuting. The thick ear padding and cushioned headband suggest good comfort for long use. OneOdio design. The OneOdio has a bulkier, more rugged build with standout red stitching on the headband. It's larger than the Q20, offering a roomier fit and better sound isolation, but is less travel-friendly. The deeper ear cups and wider, cushioned headband enhance comfort, especially for bigger ears. Overall impression. The Soundcore Q20 leans toward a minimalist, travel-friendly design, while the OneOdio offers a bold, durable look. The Q20 suits those who prefer subtlety, while the OneOdio is ideal for those who value style and comfort. Soundcore exhibits more consistent SPL levels, peaking around 70 decibels in the mid to high frequencies, around 80 to 85 Hz and 200 Hz, and maintaining relatively balanced response across different frequency bands. Has a smoother transition between low, mid, and high frequencies, indicating a more natural sound signature. Peaks in SPL are evident, which may lead to a more lively or dynamic sound, particularly around 70 Hz, 200 Hz, and above 1 kHz. OneOdio displays significant variability in SPL, especially in the lower frequencies, where it jumps from about 55 decibels to over 70 decibels in a short span, 20 to 30 Hz. The response shows larger dips and peaks across the frequency spectrum, which could mean a less natural or less balanced sound. It maintains higher SPL values in the higher frequency ranges, suggesting more pronounced treble and possibly sharper highs. Peaks are most notable around 150 Hz, 1 kHz, and 8 kHz. Overall, sound quality. Soundcore appears to offer a more balanced, natural, and smoother sound profile, making it suitable for a variety of music genres and longer listening sessions. OneOdio might provide a brighter sound signature with boosted treble, which could be preferred for genres that benefit from pronounced highs but may introduce fatigue over extended listening periods. Unfortunately, the OneOdio doesn't have noise cancelling, so we can't compare that feature.